Hello everyone! Today we are introducing the Microsoft Agent Framework. This is a brand new open source framework designed specifically for building next-generation multi-agent solutions. It not only inherits the excellent genes of its predecessors, but also brings us more powerful enterprise-grade features and flexible orchestration capabilities. Let's explore how it will change the future of agent development. First, let's look back at the challenges we faced before the advent of AI agents. Business processes were often very brittle, and employees had to waste a lot of valuable time on tedious data organization. Moreover, traditional automation tools like RPA were very fragile. They would break whenever the interface changed and were helpless in the face of new situations, which was quite a headache for us. So, what exactly is an agent? You can think of it as a microservice driven by a large language model that can decide for itself what to do next. This design allows us to build systems like building blocks, modular and scalable. The most impressive part is that it can handle all sorts of unstructured data and decide on its own which tool to use to solve a problem. After introducing AI agents, our way of working has been completely revolutionized. Now, tedious data organization tasks are handled instantly by LLMs, and automation processes have become smart. They can understand interface changes and figure out how to retry when encountering errors. This truly liberates people from boring, repetitive labor. However, getting agents to work in practice is not easy. We found that existing tools are too fragmented, making the leap from the lab to the production environment very difficult. Moreover, many open-source frameworks cannot meet enterprise needs in terms of security and scalability, turning large-scale deployment into a tough challenge. Therefore, we need a modern agent platform to break through these barriers. It must support us in quickly prototyping locally, and then smoothly pushing to production. It must be open and compatible, capable of connecting various tools and data. Most importantly, it must come with built-in security guardrails, allowing us to enjoy the convenience of AI without worrying about data security issues. This is the mission of the Microsoft Agent Framework. As an open-source engine, it is built on open standards, bridging academic research and engineering practice. It is not just a tool, but a community-driven ecosystem, designed for production environments, stable and reliable, and ready to support your AI applications at any time. This framework is actually a combination of two stars. One is Semantic Kernel, which excels in individual operations and strong engineering, and the other is AutoGen, which is proficient in team collaboration and multi-agent orchestration. The Microsoft Agent Framework merges the strengths of both, offering both depth and breadth, allowing you to navigate development with ease. In multi-agent collaboration, coordination is key. Microsoft Agent Framework has provided various orchestration patterns, a sequential pattern like an assembly line, a concurrent pattern where everyone works together, a handoff pattern like a relay race, and a team pattern that simulates group chat discussions, among others. No matter how complex your business logic is, there is always a pattern that meets your needs. With this framework, you can build two distinctly different systems. One is the agent orchestration on the left, where AI negotiates and acts flexibly. The other is the workflow orchestration on the right, which follows a strict logical process. You can freely choose the most suitable solution based on whether your task requires more creativity or more determinism. Action speaks louder than words, so let's get started now. Whether you use .NET or Python, you can install it with a single command. Go check it out on GitHub and start your agent development journey.